kama, which is the yellowtail, what do you call that? Yellowtail,
Hamachi.
hamachi kama. It's
Hamachi
a
fish.
yellowtail fish.
I think that's a Japanese fish.
That's a Japanese. But yellowtail is a very expensive one.
Yeah. So you marinated
This is
it.
how I marinated it first overnight with a little soy sauce, a little what do you call oyster sauce, calamansi or um, lemon, and a little bit sugar
And paminta.
and
Do you have pepper?
yeah, black pepper and garlic salt, but very little. So now I'm gonna use the
12-inch.
limited edition grill that we have, grill pan. So we will see how it goes. Whoa! I preheated that for about a couple minutes.
Sana meat done first, ate. Yan. Yan.
I'm using the LA grill pan. I'll cover it, and then I'm gonna do the rest in the smokeless grill. We'll see how it goes.
Did you put water in it yet?
Yes, it has water right there.
Meron ba? Oh, parang hindi ko nakikita.
Whoa! Sarap!
Init.
Init. Tama-tama.
Dito na lang. There you go.
Okay. And then the remaining. Whoa! Sarap. And then you cover it.
Nasa ng pagi natin.
Okay.
Then we cover it. Ooh,
And we
wow.
cover it, and then
Wala ako neto.
that's
Ayan.
Ayan, tapos. Sige. Uy, naku, dumikit yung ilalim.
sumakit ang ilalim.
Ulitin natin.
Okay lang yan.
Hindi, ano yung talaga to?
Okay lang yan.
Ito, mo hanggang doon.
Asan yung flipper mo?
Ayun, oh.
Yung flat?
Okay, gusto nila. Ito, gagamitin.
Okay. Ready ka na?
Ito, dalawin natin. Hindi naman video eh.
Naka-video ako.
Okay.
Okay.
Flip. Whoa!
Tapos, yung fire mo, i-medium ay a little bit low.
Ayan. Yun na, nasunog na naman to. Oh! Iniha!
Yay! Ang sarap! Ang sarap. Darating ba si A? Sana dumating si A.
Yan, sana. Hindi ko ba sana?
Oo
Ate,
nga.
ate, picture ako. Ate, sandali lang yan. Ako na mag-ano.
Siya na
Para hindi mo
magbabaliktad.
ano.
Siya magbabaliktad.
Para hindi kayo hirap, huwag mo itong gamitin. Hindi yan, hindi yan. Uy, naputi.
Yun, ang sarap! Yan!
Ayan,
Yun,
perfect!
naku.
Mas perfect pala siya sa sa griller.
Maganda sa grill. Naku, may bukas na yung akin.
Ay,
know,
naku,
right?
ito mga to. Hindi pala binubuksan.
Ay, last year.
Ako din, hindi ko pa ginagamit yung akin.
Ay, naku.
Parang bulaklak.
Ay, Diyos me, yung ang sarap.
Wow.
Wala.
Maganda ang ano, pag yung ganun.
Ito, i-flow natin yung fire. Saan
Oh.
yung fire nito? Low,
Okay lang
low,
yan.
low, low.
Yung nagluluto naman yan ay loko eh.
Wow!
Low na yan.
Yan, o, takpan ulit.
Huwag na.
Yes, o, ito
Ipicturean ko
naman.
muna bago takpan. Wow.
And